To get rid of ads in Prime Video for free, we're going to need to log into the website version of it. And once you log in, you can select any movie or TV show at random. I'm going to click on Back to the Future. And once I load it up, you're going to see an ad plays. And at the top left, it shows how long the ad is going to be before it starts playing the movie. And you can see at the bottom, these two planned ads that you can't skip. Amazon says that the only way that we can skip ads in Prime Video is to pay more money every month, but we're not going to do that. We're going to open up a new tab in Google Chrome, and we're going to go to the Chrome Web Store. Once that's loaded up in the search at the top, just type in the word ad. So we're going to install an ad blocker, and the one we want is AdGuard Ad Blocker. Click on Add Extension, follow all the steps, continue with extension, just close that down there. And of these 5 right here, just activate the top 3. The bottom 2 just wants to collect information on you, and that's never good. Close these tabs down and go back to Prime Video and just select any movie and select play. And you can see right away that there's no ad at the beginning. And I blurred out the content just in case in this video. And you can see there's no planned ads on the timeline. So I'm going to show you another example on another movie that still shows those planned ads, but I'm going to show you that they're not going to pop up. So again, I've blurred it out, and you can see that this one right here, you can't skip past it, but if you click on it or click right before it, it's going to disappear. And you can see it disappeared right there. So again, with the other one, don't worry, no ad's going to pop up. If you click on it, it disappears right away. And you can jump around the timeline and you don't have to worry about any ads popping up whatsoever. And that's it. That's all you have to do, so you don't have to pay more money to go ad-free. I post videos weekly, so if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.